Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 12. So let's start. 12 1 is 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. So kids, let's repeat it one more time. 12 1 is 12. 12 1 is 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 12 tens are 120. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you soon with our next table of 13. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.